make some pancakes. Pancakes rhymes with cupcakes.
And unicorns like to eat cupcakes.
For lunch, we're gonna make some rice. Rice rhymes with lice.
So please don't get lice.
For lunch, we might also make some mac and cheese. Mac and cheese rhymes with peas.
And also beans. So you can make your very own mac and cheese and beans.
For dinner, we might make some beef. Beef rhymes with leaf.
And my cat likes to eat beef.
For dinner, we're also gonna make